Okay, let's go. Wow. All right. If this respects this area and turns around, it could be coming up further. Very bullish pattern. Just this one here. This here is a very strong trend line. We've got a major support area here. Very obvious in this area. If it breaks this, this is just going to drop like it's hot. And if it bounces off, I'll be buying up. So just going German DAX. Okay, we did push through here. It could respect this trend line here, and if we get a, I'll put the London on. If I get a buy here, I'm going to buy this German Deutschen. If it respects it, we shall see. Oh, hang on. I just got to go like this. Okay, this is in this tight squeeze. Mum. So just got to wait on this. This could do anything. UK 100 is just, I don't know. Oh my goodness. Okay. It's taken off. It's probably going to have a little bit of a sell to this area, maybe. So, okay. We did get a sell here already. I just missed that. Let's see what it does at this area here. We've got the red here. Everything's red on the sniper. Hopefully everyone can hear me. Oh, I die. Hey, Tracy. All right. If this breaks this, it's probably going to come down. It's very, very bullish. So you could possibly get in for a sell. Oh, my black ball. I don't normally trade on TradingView, but I just put this amount in. So I've got I've got Forex up. This here. And I'm just going to put this one on. This one here. Don't go without me, mate. Mate. Come on. Okay. Enable longs. I do believe this is going to go. Ah. Strategies. PA. PA. 7. Yeah. Okay. It's calculating. This is the auto. Oh, it's taking. Okay. All right. There's our buy already. Here. So I'm just going to put something in right now anyway. Come back to that. I think it might push up. put it in that one. Okay. Trying to do a million things here. Right. Just get on out of there. Why didn't it save it? Okay. We have a buy here. Everything's green. We've got a little grey at the moment. So it has broken out of here. And it's been going in a downtrend all Asia and Sydney. Just the beautiful cells all the way. Beautiful. So hopefully, you can. This is above. See how this is now above the moving averages. Like on the 3 minute, it's still in here, but it's starting to curl around. I like this because it's broken this trend line. Oh, where's my Dixie on this? If this starts dropping, then the gold should go. So I'm going to put in a buy. I don't know how to, but I will. Oh my gosh. I don't normally trade on TradingView. Market, just have a buy stop. Just want to make sure I'm not TP the other way. Okay. Stop loss. If it breaks this, I don't want to be in it. Okay, 22. What's going on here? Buying, buy, buy. Does that work? Yeah. Okay. I've got a buy in here. If it starts coming back down, it's probably just going to come in here. I don't want to be in it then. And I've got this going on here. $6. Whoop. $8, not $12. Come on, baby, let's go. Okay, so this is on, and if it pulls another buy, it'll automatically put it in. So normally I have a couple of charts here with it on, so it'll place trades, but I can't do it. I'm on Zoom. I can only put one on. Okay, so this in here, and that I did not go near. I'm just going to leave that. I can only concentrate on two. Oh my gosh. This is new. Come on, we want more. So this here, this green here, is a 200 EMA, and it can act as resistance, but it is away from the black, and it will come back. So just on different time frames. So it could come up here, right? Right now it's underneath. So, coming up to these areas, it might create a lower. Let me just go like this. It might create a lower low here. I mean, a lower high because it's been a downtrend, or just go flying, or it just won't respect it all, right? The markets, even though you think it might come all the way or go up here, it's just you trade what you see, not what you think, and you act in accordance. So if it starts going selling, like if this started selling like mad and it broke this, I'm not going to try and hold a trade. That's just not a good idea at all. Let me just go on to these as well. That's respecting that one. The German DAX is here. What's it doing? Is it going to respect this or not? Right. There's an area. It's a very bullish pattern. This. Right. We have a breaker structure. You look to the left. It wants to, well, it feels like it wants to come up and test even back in here. Right. We came down to this area, this zone in here. So we very likely could come in here, or it could be at a fib level. and it just keeps on doing sells. It's at a 618, but it did come up. So if it respects this, I'm looking at this area, right? If it starts swinging around, and only then would I get in. But right now it is breaking. But that doesn't mean it's going to have a sell. We just wait. Just wait. So you keep your eye on it. If you're on Forex, it's not a very good trend line, though. US 30 is just doing not much. It's just respect to this. That could have been a sell. Oh my gosh. Sorry. That I think I did say to sell it, didn't I? That's just tanking. I did say to sell it. I did say to sell it. I did say. All right. Anyone get in that? Anyone get in that? Did you guys get in it? Anyone?
No, no, no.
No. Okay.
No.
Yeah. That was a nice one.
Yeah.
Yeah. And if you look at London, hang on. This here is an actual orb as well. So this is another entry like 1-to-1. So stop loss here and that. But there's an entry that on that break. I just missed that one. But yeah. Underneath, beautiful. I'm not putting on a whole heap of instruments, pairs, whatever you want to call them. If this pulls back, we could be coming down to here to retest this area. Down here or here where price pushed, right? Or here, and then just keep continuing up. It's very, very bullish. But even though it's bullish, there's movements we can catch because we're scalping. Right, let me just quickly go into this. Woo-hoo-hoo! Go, 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 baby, go, go, go.
Yeah,
Ew!
yeah, yeah,
I'm
yeah,
up,
yeah.
I'm up, I'm up, I'm up.
Amazing. That's great.
Yeah.
I got into the Nasdaq. Yeah, I bought it. It's a great setup, I think. Yeah.
Is NASDAQ on a buy too? That's good.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
I'm
yeah.
going to take this. I'm
It's
going to
going
take
up.
that. I could hold
Yeah,
it,
no.
but I just don't
Yeah,
want to forget about it. Okay, hang on.
yeah. Get
What's
get it.
this? What time frame? Hey, Tyson. How you doing, mate? Um,
Okay, so if you check out the 5 second time frame with that, it'll give you more confluences on what's happening. And
okay,
if
hang
you
on.
if you use the if you use a larger time frame like the 15 minute while you're looking at that one,
Yeah,
you're gonna
Yeah,
get a wider scope of what's happening. It's
yeah.
really magical. The 5 minute works well with the 1 minute too. Also,
yep.
I'm telling
Yeah.
you, you're gonna
Okay.
see some moves are gonna be quite juicy.
It's amazing.
Did I?
They're
I
gonna
think
be
I
really
think I had
juicy.
this one on. Yes, there we go. Look at that.
Yeah. Great.
Beautiful.
Awesome.
So, what do
Yeah.
you reckon? Hold on to this trade, Tyshawn.
Yeah.
He's a master. He's a master trader, Tyshawn. He's going to be on
Master.
Saturday.
I wouldn't say I'm a master. I'm a student.
Oh, you
I'm a
are.
I'm a
Come
student
on.
daily. I'm a daily student of the market.
Oh, we love you.
I'm a sophomore. That's where I'm at. And I'm a student, okay?
Yeah, we're always a student. But so yeah, we always a student. Uh, but we appreciate you. Yeah, so Tyshawn will be on. Well, it's Friday. I am hoping it's Friday because I'm so bad with uh my times and my days.
I could definitely do Friday morning. I could do Friday morning. If it's like if Friday morning, people ask me about the time, I just say, hey, use a world clock. Okay. That's what I do. I also use alarms. It keeps things quite simple, right? Um, and yeah, I can do pre-market probably to 7
Okay,
a.m. for I could do 2 hours,
okay.
Okay.
See
maybe an
see
hour
you
and a half.
in hang on, where am I? Oh, that's what you should do, is this one. Tyshawn shared VIX with me.
Oh yeah, the VIX is
Man
awesome.
almighty, that is good.
The VIX is
That
off.
is
It's
really
another
good.
indicator. It's
Hey,
another
where
indicator.
are my share
I wanted to
profits?
tell people about that, but I don't want to throw too much information at them. But typically
No.
when I'm helping someone and when I'm assisting them, I say you can look at the VIX. Okay. And you
Yeah.
can also put it at 34 and the 50 on there, right? And
Beautiful.
now
Yeah.
this is powerful because now you have the 34 and the 50 and the VIX together.
Yeah.
It's
Is it
chef's kiss. Mwah,
Hey, what
mwah.
time is 6 p.m. Eastern where you are?
6 p.m. Eastern.
Eastern Standard Time in New York.
That's um that would
Is it?
be where I am. It would be 9 p.m. No, 3
Okay.
p.m. I'm
3
later in the
p.m.
day.
Okay.
Yeah.
So are you all right with this time? Because I can change it. There's the special host guest. Anyway, you let me know.
Yeah. I can definitely do typically when I start at 5 a.m., right? And I like to go all the way to 9. That's 4 hours, right? I'm
Yeah.
typically looking to get 10 trades with the date and price range tool that I told you about, right? I make sure I take it to 0.020%, 10 trades. I'm done for the day. I'm out, right? However many trades I want to take, you know, but it's either going to be a certain percentage of my account, it's going to be a certain amount of equity, or it's going to be a certain number of trades. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And I just keep it very simple. That's how I look at it. And so it allows me to trade with a lot of freedom.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
I
All
like
right.
that.
Yeah.
I like that. Now you're
That
looking
is.
at the 1 minute. If you do go to the 15 minute,
Oh, look at Nas. Oh my goodness. I hope someone
Wow.
caught that when I said buy it.
Yeah.
Oh,
It's amazing.
anytime if it's moving, just go, hey, get on Nas.
Yeah,
I don't
that's
mind. It's all gone. I'm missing it all.
perfect. Great setup. Amazing.
Yeah,
But
yeah,
but
that's all good. It's a beautiful trade. Look at this.
yeah.
Absolutely, absolutely. I love. So 5 minutes is crossed over here. This is what Tyshawn shared with me with the moving averages. And looking at higher time frames, it's crossed over.
Yeah.
Remember we used to when I first chatted with you, you said the 3 minute to the 1 minute, and then it was like 15, and then you blew my mind when you said the 5 seconds, and I was like, whoo! But it's amazing. Yeah, and there's the orb here. There was the money 1 to 1. But
Tyson, do we need the VIX? Is it a requisite or not really for with the 34 and 50? It's not a requisite, right?
this is like the Dixie. I call it the Dixie and the Vixie. I never knew about the Vixie, but is it open now?
I don't think so.
Vix.
I
When is it open, Tyson? Do you know? Is he there?
I don't think I think he's doing something. One second.
Hang on, this is frozen.
It's from 9 a.m. till 11:30 p.m. So it should be open. Yeah, it should be open.
It is open?
Yeah, the DXYN, right?
Huh? No,
Yeah.
Vixie. Vix?
Oh, okay. Hold on.
The Vix. Not the Dix. The Vixie. If you if you have a look on the chart,
Mhm.
if I put it on over here, double here, it's like another
Oh, okay.
confirmation. This on.
Oh, okay. Okay. It's an indicator. Okay.
Oh, look at that. What a beautiful, beautiful trade.
Yeah. Yeah. And it's still going. So
Yeah. This here. If it's, you know, because it's see how that's going down and down, but
It was a good buy
I
on
just can't
gold
see
too.
it moving.
Oh, oh, then it's off maybe right now. May not be the right time. Oh,
Hey, so it's Ty. I'm back.
Oh, you back?
I have a tip. So whenever you're looking at this, right? I have the 34 and the 50 on my chart. Okay. And if you look at the 1 hour, right? You can put a take profit there at the 34 EMA on the 1 hour. It just literally shut up, right? Doing a mean reversion to the 1 hour to the 34 EMA on the 1 hour time frame.
Hang on, just let me put this on London.
Do you
Yeah.
see that?
yeah.
There it is.
So the 1 hour, so from the 1 minute to the 1 hour, right?
It's still going. It's still going.
You're
It's
on
going up.
gold. Oh, on NAS 100 is what I was saying.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Hang on. I'll put it on. Where's my NAS gone? Am I blind? Where's NAS gone? NAS. I've got NQ. Is that strange? MNQ.
Maybe you want to type it in and search for it, right? Just search for it.
No, it's all my things have gone. All my things have moved around. But my NAS is normally here. I'll just put this one on. Okay. 1 hour.
So what you can do is mark a line at the 34 EMA, right?
Uh-huh.
And from the 1 minute, I saw before I called you back that it shot up to the 1 hour. It shot up to 34 EMA on the 1 hour time frame. And I said, ooh, I see what happened there.
Yeah.
So that's what I do sometimes. If you guys are wondering, like, you know what I'm saying, how I make these moves. Typically, I'm going to use the 20. I'm going to use the Dayton price range tool first and foremost, right? You know, especially if I want to scalp, right? It's quite powerful. Or, right, what I do is I do these large, spaces of candlesticks, right? So from the 1 minute to the 1 hour, that's 60 candlesticks.
Yeah.
On the 1 hour, on the 1 minute time frame, 60 candlesticks is 1 hour. That's a pretty big move.
Right.
That's really nice,
I
right?
think it's gonna push more
Guys,
up a
do you
bit.
on this one?
Nice, I like it. So the 1 minute there. So what I would do is I would put a line at the 34 EMA on the 1 minute, right? And then I'd put a line at the 1 hour on the 34 EMA, and you can see the space in between them. You can use the Dayton price range tool, and this will help you, right, catch these bigger moves as well.
Okay. Mhm.
And you can see what kind of move that is.
Yes.
Yeah.
See how nice and
Beautiful,
healthy
isn't it?
that
Nice.
is? It's a
Yeah.
nice, healthy move.
Yeah. Nice bullish pattern. Coming back, coming up. Beautiful. Is this open, the VIXI? VIXI. Do you know what time the VIX opens?
It would be 15 minutes after London session.
Oh, London hasn't started, has it?
I usually use it 30 minutes after London session, but I believe it's 20 minutes after London session, 15 minutes.
Okay, because
So
this is pre-London. And look at the moves
right.
before London. It's just madness. It's unreal. Well, yeah. But this is
This
really,
will
I
happen
love.
sometime. This
I'm
will
so
happen
grateful
sometimes.
that you shared this with me. Like when this breaks, right? This here, like see how this here, hang on, just let me put it on Heikin-Ashi. Underneath the moving averages, right? Makes a low here, and you get these bearish patterns, break a structure, another bearish
Oh, that is
pattern.
beautiful. That's
Yeah.
beautiful. Look at that mean
Yeah.
reversion.
And then
It goes right.
yeah,
It goes right to the 50. Drops from the 50.
beautiful.
It's a
Beautiful.
basic pattern.
Yeah. And
Basic
then
pattern.
on on here it'll be doing like the opposite. So this is unreal. Like I always use the Dixie, but this here, like if that starts shooting up, then a lot of the times Nasdaq is just boom drops. But yeah, I appreciate you sharing that, Tyshawn. I really do, because
Yeah,
I'll
no
use that.
problem. Yeah.
Yeah. I'm telling you, this guy, he's a master trader.
I would say, not, I'm not a master. I'm not a master. Sheila's the one who's way better than me. She's way better than me. She's the
Yeah.
master. She's the grand master. Okay.
Oh,
She's
that's
the
awesome.
grand master of grandmasters,
Yeah,
you know?
yeah.
So,
I don't
and
know
you're,
Sheila.
yeah, Sheila's to me, she's a big dog in the retail space, the retail trading space, like Paris is.
Oh,
Sheila's the
okay.
one who, mentored me. So
Oh,
she's the one.
right.
Shout out to Sheila
Shout out to
and Oliver
Sheila.
Velez. Shout out to Sheila and Oliver Velez.
Yeah,
But yeah, also
beautiful.
what you can do on the right side, I see here the 1 minute, right? I see your two indicators that are spaced between each other. You know, what you can do is you can go to a lower time frame that's lower than the 1 minute. Oftentimes, what I like to look for a large gap, a large space, like I previously said. And what I'll do is I will put a line, horizontal line up there. I think that's the 50 SMA. Okay. And so what I'll do is I'll drop lower than the 1 minute. I'll go select the 5 second, right? Maybe the 1 second, right? And then I will take a trade, right? Based off of my entries will be based off of the lower time frame, but I'll catch that move, right? And then I'll turn it into one of these mega trades, right? Because I'm scaling down, right?
Yeah,
You know what I'm saying? So
yeah,
I'm scaling all the way down. So now I have to, it's like double digit candles, right? At least 10
yeah,
candles. And so if one move is 10 candles, right? I like it because when it does a pullback, I can add some more, right? And I can double up or triple up or quadruple, right? My risk, you know? And if it definitely goes to the 50, you'll be making some big, stupid, serious money. Stupid, serious money. Super gain.
yeah,
But it's on a smaller scale, you see? So you have the
yeah.
macro moves, you have micro moves.
Beautiful. You definitely look at that. That's absolutely beautiful. Look,
Can
even
you
in
give
these
me?
in here on these moves, just I'm like I love patterns, but these are all bullish. Right now, it's like it wants to. Well, I'm on the 5 second here. This is madness, but well, it's not madness, but it's you know what I mean. So, woo, my. But you can see what price is doing. It's amazing. I never used to
What
trade on the 5 second, 15 second, but look at that. Look at the move all the way up here.
what I do sometimes is I'll do the 5 second and 15 minute. And so since there's a large gap between those, you can just trade between the gap, right? From where there's a low at, right? And that'll be like a support. And then, you know what I mean? It'll be like an entry. And then the take profit will be all the way on the 15-minute chart at the 34 EMA, or you could do the 50 SMA. And this move it'll be quite large. You know what I'm saying? Comparatively, right? So that's what people ask me, is it too fast? Is it like, the 34 and the 50 are showing up. I'm looking for buying pressure, selling pressure. That's what I'm looking for. If it has it, I got to trade. If I don't have a trade. And then if I'm super concerned, what I do is I use, 2 time frames, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I have this on.
Booyah. The 5 second and like the 3 minute, Crazy stuff would be like the 5 second, the 1 second, or the 15 minute, Booyah. It's awesome.
Hmm.
There we go. Let's get rid of this a bit. See how it's coming down now? Just a little pullback.
It's good stuff.
Yeah, scat. Nice little scat. Scaparoo. Beautiful. So hang on, this one on 5 minute. Yeah, that's what you want. Two charts up. You can see what's happening here on the 5 minute. Beautiful. It's coming up to this zone. And beautiful. This is going to end